Hi, welcome to my page. Kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. In this video, you are going to learn how to make jollof rice. Yes, this is one of my style of making my jollof rice. This is a vegetable oil, and that's bay leaf with onions. Yes, I'm going to be using curry and thyme. This is my thyme, and I'm going to add curry as well. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add grounded the powder for garlic and ginger mixture of it. Yes, that's how I bought it. They're both garlic and ginger, and this is my Maggi. And the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using nutmeg. Yes, it's just your choice depending on how you want to cook it, but in this video this is what I'm using and this is how I'm cooking it. And the next thing, as I said, I'm using nutmeg, so I'm using adding nutmeg. And the next thing, I'm going to add my blended pepper, which I'm doing now. I use bell pepper, tatashe, tomato, onions. I added everything together and blended it. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add the rice. Yes. And the next thing, we're going to add water and cover it to cook together. And before that, I'm going to add salt. Yes, let's add our salt to taste. Don't let us forget it. And water. Then I'll cover it with foil. Yeah, to steam together. Before we know it, our jollof rice is ready. Please, guys, kindly subscribe to my page, kindly like, kindly comment. Your comments, like I always say in my video, your subscription, your share keeps me going. Wow, jollof rice is ready. Thank you for staying tuned, for watching the video. I love you guys. Bye. See you in my next video.